YouTube collaboration is supposed to be a magic formula that brings YouTube success or YouTube growth, but there are some collaborations that fail to deliver this result. So on today's video, we'll be diving into the mistakes that creators make when collaborating with other YouTube creators and how to ensure that your next collaboration is a smashing success. So make sure you like and subscribe. Let's dive in. Let's talk about the first and most common mistakes that YouTubers normally do when they want to collaborate. This mistake is mismatched audiences. For example, if you're on YouTube and you're the kind of person that does food review, or you do food tutorial, you teach people how to cook, then you decide to collaborate with somebody that does tech reviews or tech tutorials, chances are your audience will not be interested in the stuff you guys are about to make, because your audience are interested in food while the other person's audience is interested in tech. So when you collaborate, people will not, like, your audience will not even watch your video. They won't be excited. So it's advisable to collaborate with somebody that does the same thing as you, and when you do it, your audience will be so excited to know what you guys are cooking, what you guys are about to do. So if you're into food, it's advisable to stick with somebody that also uh, cook food on YouTube. When you do it, the audience will like it. The second mistake is when the two collaborators don't have goals, like they do not have any clear goal. Why are you guys collaborating? Why do you want to collaborate? Are you collaborating to get more subscribers? Are you collaborating just to have fun? Are you collaborating to create a viral moment? So when you collaborate and you guys don't have any clear goal, it will be very, very hard to measure the success of that video. So before you even collaborate with somebody, you need to tell yourself, or you need to know the reason, have a goal. Why do I want to collaborate with this person? What is my purpose? What is my aim of collaborating with this person? Then when you've gotten your goal, you'd be able to collaborate and do whatever you want to do with the person you're collaborating with. Another reason why collaboration don't work is when there is unequal contribution. One-sided effort usually kills collaboration. When one creator is the one doing the scripting, the video editing, the designing of thumbnail, the coming up with tags for your title, tags and description, if one person is doing all these things, that collaboration will not last. It won't last at all, because nobody wants to be a slave to anyone. So if you want to collaborate with somebody, try to work as a team. Teamwork is everything. Collaboration is all about teamwork. And when you work as a team, that video will be produced faster. So maybe the two of you can decide, like, can share the work together. You can say, okay, you be the one in charge of thumbnail, and I'll be the one in charge of the video editing. So when you do this, it will be faster. The video production process will be faster. So try to work as a team if you want to collaborate with somebody. Don't just let the other creator, to do all the work, then you show up when everything is ready. It's very wrong. Another reason why collaborations don't work is when there is no chemistry between you and the person you want to collaborate with. When there is no chemistry between you and your partner. So there is this kind of awkward energy that comes with it. There's this kind of obvious negative energy that you guys will be portraying. You won't even know self. It will be your viewers. Your viewers will be the one to point it out. And if you go to the comment section, you'll be seeing something like, watching you guys was really, really embarrassing, or was really cringe, or was really awkward. So when there is no chemistry, the collaboration will be shaky, it won't work, and people will definitely not want to watch you guys because it will be so uncomfortable to watch. And when they skip off early, that video will not be promoted. Maybe it might be promoted because maybe you two are popular or something, but it won't be promoted as it would have been if you guys had chemistry. So no chemistry kills collaboration. No chemistry kills collaboration. It is very, very terrible. So guys, if you're enjoying this video, please do me a favor by liking and subscribing. It is really, really important. So let's talk about the solutions. How do we make collaborations work? The first solution I'll be giving you is to find the right partner. You can find somebody that his content overlaps yours but isn't identical with yours. For example, if you're into fitness, you can collaborate with somebody that does all these healthy meals, healthy cooking and all that. And when you collaborate with each other, you see your content kind of like, your content works together because you're into fitness, you're into working out and keeping fit, while the person that you're collaborating with is into healthy meals and healthy diets. So when you work together, people will be interested in the kind of videos you guys make. People will definitely watch you guys and the video would definitely go viral. So the next solution I'll be giving you guys is to plan the collaboration. So before you even post a video with the person you want to collaborate with, you need to sit down together and communicate with each other. You need to ask yourself, what is the video concept about? What are our roles for this video? Why are we creating this video? Are we just creating it for fan service, or are we just creating it to have fun? Are we creating it to get more subscribers? What is the aim of creating this video? You need to sit down and plan. You need to understand what the video is all about. Ask yourself, what is this video about? Before you even post the video, just do it. It will help a lot. And you need to communicate with the person you're working with. Communication is key. Without communication, you guys will not go anywhere. That collaboration will not work. So if you want to collaborate, try to be communicating with the person. You can call the person, you can text the person, you can sit down with the person and talk to each other, then understand each other and know what the video is about. Then after giving yourself roles, understanding the concept of the video, you can decide to post the video. The next solution I'll be giving you guys is to create mutual value. You have to make sure that the both channels are benefiting equally. So how could this happen? You can promote each other's video, you can share each other's video in your channel. It will help to promote your channels. Then you can assign each other roles, you can give each other roles. For example, you'll be in charge of designing thumbnail and the other person will be in charge of editing the video. Then you'd be in charge of coming up with titles, tags and description and all that. So when you do it, your collaboration will definitely last, and you can even split your ad revenue if it is applicable. It works. That is how collaboration is. You help each other to blow up. You help each other's channel. That is what collaboration is all about. It's all about helping. It's all about teamwork. When you guys cooperate, you'll be able to achieve a common goal, which is getting more subscribers, getting more views, getting more watch time and all that. So I really want to collaborate with somebody. Honestly speaking, I want to collaborate with somebody. So please, if you're watching me and you're interested, please let me know in the comment section. Just tell me or just write I'm interested in the comments, and I'll be there to answer each and every one of you. Thank you so much. The last and final solution I'll be giving you guys is to build chemistry. If you can remember what I said before about you guys not having chemistry on camera and people will be commenting cringe. If you don't want this to happen, try to meet each other. You can chat with each other, you can meet in person, you can call each other, just meet each other, and the two of you will be able to understand yourselves. You'll be able to know yourselves very well, so that when you're in front of camera, it will feel authentic, it will feel real, it won't feel forced, it will be natural, and people will enjoy watching the two of you. Building chemistry is really important. You guys need to act like friends or brothers or sisters or whichever one. Just build chemistry. Love each other. So finally guys, collabs can be game changers if you do it right. If you're able to follow the tips I've given you in this video, like provide value for both channels, do everything, work with each other, communicate with each other, meet each other and understand each other, then collaboration will work for you. Your channel will blow up, you'll become viral, you will get subscribers, watch time and all that. So just practice everything I've said in this video and it will be okay. So if you've ever collabed with somebody, let me know in the comment section, share your experience with us and we'll be there to answer you. And please, if you would like us to collab, please let me know in the comment section and I'll be there to answer each and every one of you. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I haven't wished you guys Merry Christmas, so I'm going to wish you guys a Merry Christmas right now. Make sure you enjoy your Christmas and make sure you like and subscribe this video. Please subscribe to this channel and like this video and also share this video. Then I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to watch this video showing on your screen.